Hello friends, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for every new video.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to add one more functionality. Now, our Friday will be able to lock our PC by just a voice command. So without wasting time, let's start. So for that, I need to first import C types module, and now what it does, it has the capability to call the DLL files of Windows. So to do this, I need to create one more elif. Here I'll create elif, and if I'll say like lock my PC, lock system, lock my system, lock the PC. So for that, if first lock in voice note, then we will have a loop for value in, and I will give a list, and here I'll pass PC, system, sorry, spelling mistake, system, and then Windows. Window or Windows can be anything. So like this, and we will call C type dot windll dot user 32, and it has a method which is lock workstation, like this. Now when we say lock PC, then first it will check if lock in the voice command, then it will come to this loop, and that should be either PC, system or Windows, and then it will lock our system. Now let's run this and check whether it is working fine or not.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Lock my Windows.
Sure, sir. Your system is locked.
Yes, it is working. I know this is the shortest video of the series, but helpful and interesting. I hope you agree too. If yes, please hit the like button. If you have any query, please comment down, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.